Jelly Bean Kids! Let's make a cake for Peppa Pig. Here we have jelly bean. Then we have some strawberries. And last of all, we have candy. And some candles. Now let's put the cake together. Now let's decorate the cake. We've got a red candle, and we have got a green candle, and my favorite color, blue. Now, let's slice it up.
Yum, George, let's eat some cake now. Yum, 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 yum. Yum, 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 yum.
Thanks guys, thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.